Greetings, viewers, and welcome back to J Huxtello iTech. I'm Jess, and today, we're delving into important updates regarding the 2024 WASSCE and BECE registration fees released by the West African Examinations Council, WAEC. As registration for the 2024 WASSCE and BECE exams is underway, it's crucial for candidates and stakeholders to be aware of the associated fees. Let's break down the details. 2024 WASSCE Registration Fee, GH Cent 465.00. For candidates gearing up to take the 2024 WASSCE, the registration fee stands at GH Cent 465.00. The exams are scheduled to commence from Monday the 5th of August to Friday the 27th of September 2024. It's essential for candidates to adhere to the registration requirements and deadlines to avoid penalties, including school derecognition and result withholding. 2024 BECE Registration Fee, GH $214.01. Meanwhile, candidates preparing for the 2024 Basic Education Certificate Examination, BECE, will need to pay a registration fee of GH $214.01. The BECE exams are slated for July, with registration already underway since the 11th of March 2024. The deadline for registration is the 19th of April 2024. It's worth noting that while candidates in public basic schools and SHS will have their fees covered by the government, it's crucial for private candidates and institutions to ensure timely payment to avoid any disruptions to the registration process. Remember, preparation is key to success in these exams, so make sure to stay informed and take advantage of the resources available to you. And there you have it, folks. The latest updates on the registration fees for the 2024 WASSCE and BECE exams. As candidates gear up for these important assessments, let's wish them all the best in their preparations. Thank you for. It's worth noting that while candidates in public basic schools and SHS will have their fees covered by the government, it's crucial for private candidates and institutions